Hi, I'm Phil, and this is the start of my journey with PJB Exterior Cleaning. I am based here in sunny Norfolk. Right now I've got no customers, no team, just me, my tools and a drive to build something from the ground up. I started this company from an absolute scratch. No business background, no massive savings, no head start. Just a pressure washer, some second-hand kit and a Volvo XC60 to carry it in. Yep, not even a van, but I'm making it work. I'm figuring it out one step at a time, one job at a time, and to make it a bit more of a challenge, I have got a Stammer. So doing these videos is not easy at all, but that's part of why I am here. I want to show the real journey, not just the polished end results. I'll be completely honest, in these videos, you will see the jobs I do, how I price them, what gear I use, what goes right and what goes completely wrong. I'll also be sharing the business side from getting the first customer to building trust, to making decisions that hopefully grow this into something solid. If you ever thought about starting your own business or just want to see someone doing it without cutting corners, this channel's for you. One of my biggest investments I made is my Kranzle B272 pressure washer. It puts out 16 litres a minute, proper heavy duty gear, but like anything mechanical, these things wear out, parts breaks and it needs regular maintenance. Lucky for me, I have got a background in mechanical work, so I do all the repairs and servicing myself. Whenever it's replacing a cracked hose, cleaning a clogged filter or doing a full strip down on the machine, you'll see it all right here. I want to show you that you don't always need to throw money at a problem. Sometimes all you need is a spanner and some patience. This channel isn't just about cleaning patios, it's about building something honest from nothing. Working out of a Volvo XC60, doing every job solo, learning as I go. I show the real work, the long days, the things no one talks about, and just, yeah, if I mess up, you will see it, because I'm not here to pretend I've got it all figured out. So if you're interior cleaning, DIY repairs, or just want to follow along as I build this business from zero, hit subscribe, drop a comment, say hi. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and it's Phil from PJB Exterior Cleaning. Let's make Norfolk cleaner together.